Hi, go ahead and get settled. Palms. Love your face. Back of your neck. Hold your neck, hold your throat. Breathe in, it's just those little glands, that lymph draining down from the back of your ears. Take your hands and just sort of gently palpate the cords that go down from your ears down towards your collarbones. And just hold them just gently, just gently, like hold your little cord here. Not too hard. And breathe in. And feel your hands as you're touching your neck and your throat. Feel them relax. Relax them a little bit more. And as your hands relax, maybe the tissues underneath your hands begin to relax. Melting now, moving, I'm feeling it start to relax down underneath my collarbones. Draining into sort of my throat pit. Placing the hands underneath my throat pit, my sternum. Right in the middle of my chest, kind of above my heart. Where the thymus might be. Moving it into down a little bit lower, maybe into the region where the heart might be, the heart center. And release my hands down, touching breasts and chest, side bodies, and lower back. With my hands from my lower ribs down in towards my hip bones pointing in. So coming in from my ribs. So the heels of my hands might be where my kidneys are if my kidneys were in the front, and my fingertips pointing down towards the bladder. So I'm in this sort of mudra here on my belly. And then release the hands to the legs. Take 9 kapalabhati to the right, 9 kapalabhati to the left. 4 right, 4 left, 4 right, 4 left, and then 2, 2, 2, 2, and then 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Inhale. Change. 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 Twos. Ones. Inhale both. Hold the breath. And you need to exhale slowly out of both nostrils. Let your breath adjust. Just to feel now your breath sliding in and sliding out of the nose. Feel that breath, that space, sliding up and sliding out. Let that breath and that space is sliding in your nostrils, into all the spaces in your being, and then sliding out. So just experience now that sense of prana, that sense of breath, that sense of space moving between your physical structures. Talk about two caverns, whether your nostrils, caverns that are your lungs, spaces between your cells, spaces between your molecules. Just let that breath, that prana now slide in, that flow between your physical structures. Be nourished, be informed, be supported by the space that's breathing in, around, and out. Or maybe the breath or space is just passing through. Maybe it doesn't go in the same door as it comes. Maybe it doesn't go out the same door as it went in. Take a moment and experience, sense, feel yourself breathing in space between the particles, between your molecules, breathing out space between the particles, between your molecules. And now infuse that space with your bhavana of choice. Infuse it with your highest thought. So whether you hold a deity, a divinity, a feeling, what is it? If you could get the essence of it infused into your cells right here, right now, make your life so much better, so much more vibrant, so much more Shri, more alive, more connected. So fill that space with that bhavana, that feeling, that intention, your mantra, whatever it is for you. How does that space, how does it breathe different now that it's infused with that essence, that bhavana, that mantra, that intention, that element, that ingredient that's going to make your life so much more vibrant, connected, sweeter, whatever it is you're seeking. How is your experience of that breath, that prana, that space moving around your particles? How is it different? Or is it different than it was before? A few more breaths here. On your next exhale, just let it go. Feel your particles connect with the weight of the earth. Feel your space connect with the lightness of the cosmos. And feel your body, your being, your life as the beautiful nexus where heaven and earth meet. Just bask in that place, knowing that you are the nexus. You are that meeting ground. You are the connective point, the connecting point. You are the center line, the crossroads, the mela, the gathering place. And ready, take a deep breath in. Exhale. Bring your chin to your chest, sealing the practice. Rub your body, acknowledging your nexus, acknowledging your locus, your body, your life, belly, chest. Love your heart, arms, head, shoulders, face. Thank you so much for joining me. We come together. We also are where heaven and earth meet. We are also the place, a nexus, a connective point. We are that which is a bigger around us. So thank you for joining me once again. It's always my honor, my privilege to share these times, these teachings, and this connection with you. And let's have some fun as we spring into March. Namaste.